You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your system. Writing a video script is hard, especially when you don't have a proper system in place. It can go as bad as you waste hours stalking at the blank page, not knowing where to begin. But it doesn't have to be. So this is why today I'm gonna reveal my system for writing a script, and this system is really helpful for beginner. Even if you are someone who has never written a single script before, this will help you write a video script fast. To achieve that fast, you have to break something, not something in your home, but the mindset of, okay, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna write the perfect script in one go, and I will not write any word or sentences in the page until it's coming out perfectly. You see, there's a thing called drafting, and when it comes to the first draft, we don't go for the perfection. We water down or pour down our thoughts into the page, even if it isn't perfect, even if some sentences and words isn't making any sense. And there's a reason every great writers you know of does the same thing, because this lets you not only clear your minds but also looking at the big picture and connect all the pieces together. For me, before I discovered this system, I used to waste 4 hours writing a single script or a single blog post because I didn't know where to start or where to begin. I didn't even know how should I approach my writing long form of content. But after reading a bunch of book and taking a bunch of course, I realized that okay, I can put a system into place, and then I can always use this system for writing a script or writing anything. Generally, right now, it takes me 1 hour to write a video script or write a blog post, because in 30 minutes, I'm gonna do my first drafts, and then I'm gonna outline the project, and then I'm gonna take a break. And then the other 30 minutes, when I come back from the break, I'm gonna fill out everything and connect all the pieces together. And this is how I have fastened my script writing process. So for this to work, first you have to work on the first draft, and you have to flash out everything from your mind, even if it's something seems trivial. I'm not gonna make this video long, but I'm gonna give you an example of everything so you can understand this process. And basically I do this by asking question, because I create educational type of videos. So this system is for educational type of YouTubers or any sorts of thing that you want to teach people. This will work. It's not for entertainment videos. So the first question I ask is, who are you writing for? For this video, I'm writing to educational YouTubers who don't have a proper system in place for writing a video script fast. So I'm writing to one type of person. In marketing terms, you can call it avatar. But if I were to make this video and I was thinking, okay, my target is educational YouTubers as well as entertainment YouTubers, I could make this work somehow. But just because I am targeting two type of people in one video, my message will not reach both of them. Because if you write for everyone, you end up writing for no one. And 90% of the time, most educational video revolve around solving a problem. For this video, I'm teaching how to write a script fast. So whenever you're writing your script, a good question to ask is, what is the problem you are solving? And after that, list out all the problem that you are gonna solve in that video, or list out one problem that you are gonna solve with this video. Speaking of solving problems, you also need to find out why they need to solve this problem. When answering this question, here's a trick you can use. Try to convince your past self, like, dude, you have to try this out. You have to try this formula. You have to try this system for writing a video script. Otherwise, you'll waste 5-6 hours writing a video script, and it's consumed too much time. In the end, you are gonna burn out. So this leads to our next question. What happens if they don't learn this or don't solve this problem? What can happen as a result? This is kind of similar to the previous question, but it also helps you get more juice out of your mind. So you should write this down. Our next question is, what's the benefit of solving this problem? Think of you recommending a book to your friends, and you're telling him, okay, you have to read this book. And your friend asking, okay, what's the benefit of reading this book? So this is how you write your thoughts or write your script when you're writing the first stuff. Like, you're convincing your past self, you're convincing your friends, and this will make the video more engaging because it it will become more conversational if you do it this way. So we're done with all this question, and it doesn't mean that you have to use this question to write your first step. If you are creative and you are used to the process, you don't have to rely on the question, but this question helps get more juice out of your mind. So it is really helpful and it's fasten up the process. So this is one of the reason I use them. But there is one important element you can add to your video, and that will take your video to the next level, and that is storytelling. So whenever you are writing a script, writing a blog post, or writing an email, ask yourself, okay, is there any stories or personal experience you can share as a lesson? For this video, I could have started the video with how I used to have a hard time writing video script. I didn't know where to begin. I wasted hours and hours trying to write my script, but I didn't know what to do. But I thought that it doesn't really make up for a good intro. But I did use some sentences from my stories in the hook, and you can guess and get an idea that how I wrote the script for this video. If you use this process for writing your faster, this won't take you even 20 or 30 minutes to flash out everything from your mind. And after that, all you need to do is outline the project. And the simple way I do is by section. So for this video, the section would be the question I'm giving you guys, and then I'm filling out the question by talking about them a little bit. I can help you write or fill out your section. It is something that you have to do it by yourself. It might seem hard at the moment, but as you begin to write more and more, you'll get used to the process. So to recap how to write a video script fast, use all this question I've given you. Flash out everything from your mind by using those questions. Outline the project by section and then fill out the section. So this is as simple as it gets. It's not a really advanced level. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and beginner friendly. So I hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video.